welcome back to Liz Sews. Today I have for you guys my February sewing plans. So I'm just sort of easing back into sewing after taking a month off. And so I didn't want to get too overzealous with my plans, but I'm really excited about the things that I've picked out. So the first thing I have is this lovely floral jersey. I've had this in my stash for a little bit of time now, and I want to make another long sleeve Renfrew top out of this. I also have a Renfrew cut out in like a very vibrant like purple aubergine color. So I probably need to sew that one up first just because it's all cut out, but I really wanted to do this one as well. I actually have a lot of this jersey because I ordered it from fabric.com, and I want to say I ordered my 2 yards maybe. Yeah, I probably ordered 2 yards because I wanted this to be a long sleeve shirt, and they just gave me all that they had left because it was like end of bolt, so I ended up getting like 3.5, I want to say. So after I do the long sleeve shirt, I might have enough to do another project out of this, but I'll have to stay tuned and see. But I don't know why, it's not something I normally go for, but I really liked this navy with this sort of dusty pink coloration. I also want to do a sweater type shirt thing. I have this very muted gray, not gray, green. It's sort of like a darker sagey green, and it does have a lot of stretch to it, which is really interesting. I picked this up from Joann's Fabrics a couple of years ago, and I just never got around to using it. I want to say it has an acrylic content, so it is not machine washable, but I kind of just want to do, something like a seamwork Astoria, but I don't have that pattern, and I'm not sure that it's worth $12 to me to get the seamwork Astoria, so I might just try to hack it out of other patterns that I have. I should be able to just adjust, maybe like the Renfrew pattern even, adjust it so it's cropped right at waist length, and then add the band around the waist. I think that should work, maybe. I don't know, let me know what your thoughts are. If you know of a similar pattern to that that's a little bit cheaper. So I'm gonna get that one done just because I think it's still very, very cold here in Colorado, and it's something I could get a wear out of even if I finish it in February. And then I also want to make a long pair of lander pants. So I've made the shorts for the 3 times last year, and I really, really like them, but I'm interested in seeing what the full pant looks like. And I did get that pattern printed out at PDF Plotters, so I can just trace it and it'll be really, really easy. I will never tape together a PDF pattern. It's just, I find it one of the scourges of the earth. So once I found out that I could get my patterns printed on that large format paper for me, it really opened up the world of PDF patterns. So yes, I want to get those pants done. I'm not sure about what color. So I have 2 different Essex linens. Both of these are like Robert Kaufman Essex linen, and they've been pre-washed, so I'm not sure if I want to use the first one. I think this is the nutmeg colorway, and it's sort of like a mottled brown. It has a lot of texture to it. I think it looks pretty good with me, but I'm not sure if I want to use this one or just a classic navy. So this one's just a solid color navy, nothing really interesting about it, but I think that would be something that's very useful in my wardrobe as well. So let me know which color you want to see the lander pants in. And then of course, I always leave room in my plans for bras. So one bra that I definitely want to do is another Boylston bra from Orange Lingerie, and I want to use this green Duoplex. I wasn't able to find any other elastics and stuff that matched the green, so I'm gonna go ahead and use black with it. So black elastics, and then this will be the cup and the front part of the bridge, and then it'll be completely black from the back of the bra. I love green, so I always think I need another green bra, but for some reason in bra making, they just don't sell green findings. So you guys need to get on that, more green findings. So this one's definitely going to happen. And then I also, in December, Beware, which is my favorite bra supply shop, was having a sale on lace, and I want to say they were all 40% off. So I picked up a lot of different lace. I don't know what I'm going to use for a bra this month, but I definitely want to get another lace bra in. But I thought I'd just show you the laces that I have, and if any of them really call out to you, you can let me know. So the first one I have is this bright lime green with fuchsia dots on it, which is completely frivolous. It doesn't match any of my clothing, but I just wanted a fun light neon bra. And I actually have findings that match this that came from Bravo Bella bras. I have a whole set of lime green elastics in, and power mesh and lining and stuff like that. So that was really fortuitous. So I'm really excited about this one. I have just basic white lace, and this, I have two meters of the white lace. So if I make this one, it'll be another bralette. I have this really pretty blue lace that has like sort of palm fronds on it. I'm not sure what they're supposed to be, if they're flowers or leaves, but I thought this one was really pretty. I have this, which has a gold sort of shiny middle part, and then that black cherry sort of like burgundy merlot colored lace on the outsides of it. And along the same lines, this one is another just burgundy lace. I actually didn't pick this one out. This one came not in this order, but on a previous order that I placed with Beware. She just threw this in extra, so I want to make this up eventually. Then I have a just sort of beigey nude lace. It's a little bit difficult to see this one, but I also bought a turquoise one, and both of these laces are the same pattern, it's just a different colorway. So the turquoise one, you can see a little bit better how you get those lacy bits and then the solid bit in the center, and then close to a solid bit on the edges with more scalloped lace. So I'm really excited about all my new lace to use this year. So if any of these laces call out to you and you just need to see it made immediately, let me know in the comment section below. So that is all of the things that I'm planning to make. We have a pair of pants, 2 tops, and 2 bras. Hopefully that doesn't get me too overwhelmed, and I'm excited about getting back to the sewing machine and making a few more things. Take care.